let's look at how we can quickly make a chart in Excel. We're not going to go into depth of making charts, but at least you'll understand how charts are very easily created in Excel, just with one click almost. So here I have a chart or some data that I randomly put in here, and it's formatted into dollars and cents. And none of it really means anything. I just have the dates here just for demonstration purposes. But let's just put, even though some of these numbers would be crazy if it was rent. In January, you only paid $125 for rent. Or March, you paid $3 for rent. I don't know what's going on. You probably don't still live in that place. So you understand that these numbers are completely arbitrary. So I'm just going to just put, and then let's put... Alright, so I have these here, and I'm going to expand this by double-clicking that. And now I'm going to highlight everything from here all the way down to here. And then all I need to do, once that's all highlighted, I'm going to grab that green dot right there. And right next to that green dot, you'll see this little icon. If you click on that quick analysis icon, it's guessing maybe some of the things that you want to do. I could format these cells. But really what I want to do is go to the charts. And now I can choose the kind of chart that I want. I think this is better because then I can see everything stacked on top of each other. So I'll choose this stack chart. Once I do that, it shows me which rows and columns and the data that's being evaluated here. And now I have my chart. And that's how you make a one-click chart. Now, just really quick before we leave, this chart can be edited. You can go inside of here and edit every aspect of this chart. The lines, you can even change the color. As I select this color here, I can go over here and change the border, the fill, and it will change it for every one of those in that chart. So that's how we can quickly make a chart in Excel using some data that we already have. The only thing we had to do with this data is we just needed to add the record labels here for it to show up properly here.